If God can use a donkey, what's your excuse? Yeah, you heard that right. God once spoke through a donkey. So don't tell me he can't use you. Numbers 22 says, Then the Lord opened the donkey's mouth. Balaam was so blinded by his own path that he ignored the angel right in front of him. But his donkey saw what he couldn't. If God can open the mouth of a donkey to stop someone from self destruction, then he can use your voice, your story, your life, no matter where you've been. Follow if you're ready to be used by God in unexpected ways. Drop "Use me, Lord" in the comments if you believe nothing's too small for His glory. If He can use a donkey, He can absolutely use you. God bless you.